Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll talk about how to restrict someone on Instagram. If you're receiving unwanted or harassing messages or comments from someone on Instagram, you may want to consider restricting that person. Restricting someone on Instagram allows you to continue viewing their content, but they won't be able to see when you're online or when you've read their messages. They also won't be able to comment on your posts or DM you. So, how do you restrict someone on Instagram? It's easy. Just follow these simple steps. First, go to the profile of the person you want to restrict. Second, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Third, tap on Restrict. Fourth, confirm that you want to restrict the person by tapping Restrict again. That's it. You've now restricted the person on Instagram. Keep in mind that you can always unrestrict someone by going to their profile, tapping on Unrestrict next to here. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel more confident in managing your interactions on Instagram. Thanks for watching.